Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to cook pork with mustard leaves in Naga style. It's a very simple recipe, so let's get started. So I'm taking some fresh pork and some dry chilies, and I'll be taking ginger garlic paste and some dry bambooshoot, and there is some pounded mejenga seeds and some fresh mustard leaves. So we'll use a pressure cooker and we'll transfer the pork to it, and we'll be adding the dry chilies as well. So let me quickly add the dry chilies, and now we'll add the crushed mejenga seeds. It will enhance the taste. So next we'll be adding half cup of water, and we'll also add half tablespoon of salt. So now we'll turn on the flame and then we'll cover the lid and we'll pressurize it for 3 to 4 whistles. So now we'll add some water to the dry bambooshoot, and we'll clean it well and drain off the water, and we'll keep aside the dry bambooshoot. So after 3 to 4 whistles, we'll take out the dry chilies and then we'll grind it and make it into a fine paste. And guys, if you are loving my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. So this is our pork, and now we'll be adding the red chili paste which we have prepared, and we'll mix it well. So I'll use a little bit of water so that nothing is wasted. Give it a good mix, and now you can add the bambooshoot, the dry bambooshoot, and the ginger garlic paste as well. So I'll be adding the ginger garlic paste as well. So after adding the ginger garlic paste, I'll give it a good mix. I'll mix all the ingredients together and cook it for like a minute or so. So now you can see the color has come up, and now it is good time to add the mustard leaf as well. So I'll go ahead and add the mustard leaves. So once you add the mustard leaf, you can cover it so that it will be cooked properly. And after cooking it for some time, like for 2-3 minutes, you can give it a good stir, a good mix, so that it will be mixed properly. So once you mix it properly, now you can again close the lid and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. In that way it will be cooked properly. So we can see how it turns out. It's properly cooked and it looks very delicious. The flavors, the mix. So it's an authentic Naga style of cooking pork with mustard leaves. So let me go ahead and serve it. It's a very easy and delicious recipe. You guys should definitely try it out. It looks delicious. It's a very simple recipe and it tastes very good. See, you can have a look. This is the final look of our pork with mustard leaves. It's very simple recipe. I've only used bamboo shoot, some ginger garlic paste and mustard leaves. So that's it guys. See you again in my next video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.